When the ignition switch is in the on or auto ACC position, you can adjust the outside mirrors with these switches located on the armrest. To begin, use these switches to select which mirror to adjust. Using the larger switch, you can then move each mirror to the desired position. Once the mirrors are in place, push the switch again to avoid accidentally changing the mirror positions. Your vehicle is equipped with the reverse tilt-down feature. The surface of your outside mirrors will tilt downward to provide better rear visibility close to the vehicle while backing up. To use this feature, place the ignition switch in the on position, then shift the vehicle into the reverse position. Now, select the right or left side mirror. You can then use the mirror adjustment switch to adjust the selected mirror's tilt-down position. The mirror will return to this position the next time the tilt-down feature is activated. The mirror surfaces will return to their original position when the vehicle is shifted to any position other than reverse. The selected mirror is deselected, or the ignition switch is placed in the off position. When neither mirror is selected, the reverse tilt-down feature will be disabled. To fold or unfold the outside mirrors, the ignition switch should be in the on or auto ACC position. Push the outside mirror folding switch to fold the mirrors. To unfold them, push the switch again. The outside mirrors and rear window glass can be heated to defrost, defog, or de-ice for improved visibility. Once the engine is started, touch the rear defroster key. The rear window defroster automatically turns off after a period of time. The rear window defroster can be turned off manually by touching the key a second time. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.